It's been close to 3 months now, a little less than 3 months. Very new to the organization, but the journey so far has been great. I think my colleagues, the kind of work environment that we have here, it's different from the kind of places I've worked before. It's also nice and refreshing to see something like this because firstly, I don't see a lot of micromanagement, done by the senior leadership, or there's no pressure on things in general. We are given a task. We know what the deliverables are. We're currently in touch with our clients. We're speaking to them on a daily basis. We basically carry out the entire project on ourselves, and it basically gives the transparency into the project and everything else. So that's something that keeps me excited and motivated, and I can say this for the rest of my colleagues, the rest of my team members as well. So that's what I think keeps us going. It's a nice change from other places that at least I've worked for before. Honestly, it's very it's too soon to comment on something like this, given that it's only been 3 months, and impact. I mean, it's too big of a term for me to use right now for myself, given the position. But I am very definite that once I complete at least one journey, one course of a project with the client, I'll be in a better position to answer this. But given the past 3 months experience, I just say that it's very transparent. I mean, I can see what I'm actually contributing into, and I see that it's going to build into something very meaningful and impactful. Having like I said before also, it's I think the fact that I have the liberty of speaking to the clients directly, it gives me a better understanding and knowledge of what's going on in the project. It just keeps me motivated because I know what exactly is happening on the project front. And like once, I still remember I had a discussion with the co-founder of the company, and I asked him about the kind of role that I'm supposed to be, my roles and responsibility as a assistant analytics consultant here in this organization. So he just said one thing, and I'm just going to reiterate that. He said that you have to look at yourself as a problem solver, and that immediately gave me a sense of belongingness, sense of responsibility, and it was just very motivating for me. I mean, having just saying that to me. I mean, I understand as an analytics consultant, the job revolves around understanding the problem at hand, the opportunities in the business, then the discovery and examination of the data sets that we receive, and basis that giving results or insights and conclusions in a way that makes clear which course of action would benefit the business the best. So when he said you have to look at it from the lens of a problem solver, it's just saying that was enough for me to just feel really excited, and it just since then I've been motivated in this particular role of mine. I guess the fact that when you're dealing with very very senior stakeholders or senior people in the management with respect to the client side, it can sometimes get a little overwhelming. But I think I'm still learning the tricks of the trade. But having said this, I think my colleagues and the senior management people in the organization are very approachable. I mean, whatever small little things that I've thought was my doubt or something I wasn't very sure if I'm dealing with things in the right way. People have been very supportive in that sense, and they've guided me through the process, helped me understand how to deal with the situation in a better way, for example, and given me responsibilities in the sense that I take ownership of that, and that's something that I is has helped me so far. When you're working with a very young enthusiastic team of data engineers, data scientists, analysts, business analysts, you firstly need to identify the strengths and weaknesses of them, and be it like a very tight deliverable, or something that has to be delivered in a short period of time, or a very difficult deliverable for that matter, where the team together is struggling to find a solution, or we're not near a solution so far. I think as a consultant, I need to understand what the strengths of everybody is, and to work best on their strengths is something that any consultant should understand, and that ways the person will able to improve the efficiency and solve the company issues in a better way. So that's one of the must-haves I can think of.